Have you ever wondered what's lurking beneath the surface of our oceans and how technology can help us explore the vast underwater world? Well, today we're going to dive into the 10 most amazing underwater technology innovations of 2023. From incredible submarines to underwater robots, these cutting-edge technologies are helping us unlock the secrets of our planet's most mysterious realm. But before we plunge into the deep, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Number 10. The Deep Sea Explorer Submarine. The Deep Sea Explorer Submarine is taking ocean exploration to new depths. Literally. This state-of-the-art vessel is capable of diving to depths of over 6,000 meters, allowing scientists to study previously uncharted territories and discover new marine species. Equipped with advanced sonar technology, high-resolution cameras, and robotic arms, the Deep Sea Explorer is transforming our understanding of life in the abyss and shedding light on the wonders of the deep. Number 9. The Aquatic Drone Fleet. Meet the Aquatic Drone Fleet, a swarm of underwater drones designed to monitor and protect our oceans. These intelligent, autonomous robots can collect data on water quality, track marine life, and even identify illegal fishing activities. By working together in a coordinated network, the Aquatic Drone Fleet is providing unprecedented insights into the health of our oceans and helping to safeguard our marine ecosystems for future generations. Number 8. The Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion System, OTEC. Harnessing the power of the ocean has never been more efficient, thanks to the Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion (OTEC) system. This innovative technology captures the temperature difference between warm surface waters and cold deep waters to generate clean, renewable electricity. Not only does OTEC help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, but it also provides a sustainable source of fresh water through desalination. It's a game changer for both energy production and water security. Number 7. The HYDROVIEW Underwater Drone. The HYDROVIEW underwater drone is revolutionizing the way we explore the ocean. This compact, remotely operated vehicle is equipped with a high-definition camera, LED lights, and advanced navigation technology, allowing users to experience the underwater world like never before. Whether you're a marine biologist studying coral reefs or a treasure hunter searching for sunken ships, the HYDROVIEW brings the wonders of the deep to the surface. Number 6. The Seabin Project. Plastic pollution is a major threat to our oceans, but the Seabin Project is tackling this issue head-on. These innovative floating trash collectors are designed to capture plastic waste and other debris before they can cause harm to marine life. Using a combination of smart technology and natural ocean currents, Seabins are cleaning up our oceans one piece of plastic at a time. Number 5. The Aquatic Habitat. The Aquatic Habitat is an underwater living and research facility designed to accommodate scientists and researchers as they study the marine environment. With comfortable living quarters, cutting-edge laboratories, and direct access to the ocean floor, this groundbreaking facility is enabling long-term, immersive research that was previously impossible. The Aquatic Habitat is ushering in a new era of marine science and conservation. Number 4. The Coral Restoration Robot. Coral reefs are the rainforests of the sea, but they're facing severe threats due to climate change and human activities. Enter the Coral Restoration Robot, an autonomous underwater vehicle designed to help restore these vital ecosystems. By planting resilient coral species and monitoring their growth, this innovative robot is helping to rebuild damaged reefs and ensure the survival of these precious underwater habitats. Number 3. The Underwater Wireless Communication System. Communication underwater has always been a challenge, but the Underwater Wireless Communication System is changing that. This groundbreaking technology uses advanced acoustic and optical signals to enable high-speed, real-time communication between divers, underwater vehicles, and surface stations. The Underwater Wireless Communication System is transforming underwater exploration, search and rescue operations, and marine research by allowing seamless communication in the most remote and challenging environments. Number 2. The Bionic Fin. Inspired by the incredible swimming abilities of marine animals, the Bionic Fin is a cutting-edge underwater propulsion system designed for divers and underwater vehicles. This biometric technology mimics the natural motion of fish fins, allowing for more efficient and agile movement underwater. The Bionic Fin is revolutionizing the way we navigate the underwater world, making exploration faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Number 1. The Ocean Cleanup Interceptor. Our final innovation is the Ocean Cleanup Interceptor, a solar-powered autonomous river cleanup system designed to tackle the massive problem of plastic pollution in our waterways. This ingenious device uses a series of conveyor belts and floating barriers to collect and remove plastic waste from rivers before it reaches the ocean. With the potential to make a significant impact on global plastic pollution, the Ocean Cleanup Interceptor is an important step towards cleaner, healthier oceans. So there you have it, the 10 most amazing underwater technology innovations of 2023. These incredible technologies are changing the way we explore, understand, and protect our oceans, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of underwater innovation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.